Meaning of Frank Whittle.
Frank Whittle.
Frank Whittle.
Frank Whittle.
Frank Whittle. Frank Whittle was a British engineer and inventor who was best known for his work on the development of the jet engine in the 1930s. He is widely considered to be the father of modern jet propulsion. His design laid the foundation for the first operational jet engine, which was used in the British military during World War II. The invention transformed air travel and revolutionized the aviation industry. Today, Whittle's legacy continues to inspire innovation in aerospace engineering and technology.